NISHIMOTO motorcycle lubricant, adopt global high-quality oil storage and internationally renowned brand additives, can lubricate and resist wear, reduce the wear caused by high-speed engine operation, helps the water tank cool the engine, prevent overheating, keep the engine interior clean, sealed leak-proof, reduce gas leakage and prevent the entry of external contaminants, ensuring the efficient operation of motorcycle engines, and extend the service life, reduce carbide, slag, and metal wheel particles.